A multi-talented artist, actor, and dancer, may collaboration sa BINI. Americana is an American freestyle dancer who became famous at a young age with a robot style of dancing. Got a standing ovation for spellbinding performance on America's Got Talent and got all yeses from the judges. Age 19, paved way with his talent as an artist, actor, and dancer. At ito nga napawaw ang mga international at Filipino fans. Americana posted on Instagram and Twitter collaboration with BINI, Cherry on Top dance performance. Napa-comment pa nga ang KCON USA sa collaboration na ito, "We're actually obsessed." A fan commented, "Bro just casually danced with BINI, the biggest pop group from the Philippines." And Americana replied, "I was nervous, I had just learned the routine." At ito pa, fan na patanong, "Are you in Philippines, bro?" And Americana replied, "I would love to visit." Maraming napakomment mapa-international at Filipino fans. Na-surprise and so happy with Americana and BINI collaboration Cherry on Top performance.